Hello! Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another reaction video, you guys. Continuing on my nature journey, here I am with another music video by them. This song is called Dream About You. This video shows no English subs on like settings, so with that, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Oh, right off the bat, I feel like this is gonna be cute because of the title, not her. Wow, was I right? Oh. Oh. My god. Oh, or is that Gaga? Because I know like she's on hiatus, right? Because of school? Sunshine. Oh, Sunshine with purple hair. Okay. And purple eyebrows. Is that Lou? See, like I'm not really familiar with Lou and Gaga. n.ch, yeah. Chevin, right? Oh, they have PJs. Oh wow, her eyes really shine in that gorgeous eyes that she has. Haru with that cute smile. Yeah, that choreo right there reminded me of something Tice would do. Ooh, I like that. They went down, up, down, beat. Oh my god. She popped the balloon and the two girls popped. Yes, slow it down for Sebum. Oh, it's color changing lights in there. Oh, it's so cool. She made a cupcake on her head. I think I realized that like too late. Are the vocals, isn't all their vocals together like layered? Oh, her eyes. Those are her real eyes, right? Please tell me yes. Better not be contacts. Wow, those pineapples were so fake, so blue. Yeah, that's gotta be all their vocals. So it's like crowded. This is just me, but I can't take Sebum seriously in like cute concepts because I feel like I'm So Pretty definitely fit her. She was so like sassy diva and like badass. Wow, that tutu is so pink. Pastel. This video is just filled with. Oh wow. Oh my god. Wow. I can't. I need to watch it again. That hand choreo was everything. Wait, did they make a star? Okay. Kinda. Whoa, my god. Did I match it? I love that choreo. That was so cool. Wait. They're mailing that thing? And some, they mailed the envelopes to the party. What is with them mailing stuff? Cute everywhere. Talk about cuteness overload. My god. Nature, why am I loving every one of your songs? I'm complaining in a good way. I'm so obsessed with the hand choreo at the end. I'm gonna learn it. Just watch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to check out other reaction videos I have on my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. So with that, bye bye.